All right, regular document. 614-535 State versus LaShawna Collins, attorney Michael Collins.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I am well. How about you?
Very well, Your Honor. I believe this one's going to be a plea, Your Honor.
Okay. I have it marked
I
as
gotta
such.
check. I gotta check
Got
on the
all
paper.
got all the paperwork done?
I don't know yet. I haven't seen it yet. I'll look for it closely right now.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is your client here?
She usually is, Your Honor. I didn't check for her. She's always been here. If not,
Don't forget I'm still a lawyer. When you tell me usually is, that doesn't mean that she is.
there are no definites, Your Honor.
All right.
I'll check on her.
As of right now, I'm marking her absent to make sure she shows up. 614-813 State versus Luis Dorantes Perdomo, attorney Lorraine Efron. Lorraine Efron. No appearance. And
Your Honor, Luis Dorantes Perdomo is present.
I'm sorry. Okay. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
All right.
Well,
Stick
good morning,
around.
Your Honor.
Good morning. Now stick around. I'm sure your attorney will show up. All right. 615-858 State versus Helmut Towns, attorney William Brooks.
Morning,
Helmut.
Judge.
Hello, William Brooks.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
We're present in the courtroom this morning, Judge,
Ah, okay.
and I can jump on Zoom and confer if I may.
Confer, you're number one.
Thank you, Judge.
And your client is here.
He's here. He's in the courtroom with the Judge.
All right. Thank you, sir. 617-593 State versus Corey Reisinger, attorney.
Judge, we're
Charles
present
Cole.
with counsel. It's Kyle
Alrighty.
Simpson. And
Kyle?
we have a plea
Kyle?
ready. We have a plea ready, and I believe the paperwork is ready as well, Judge.
Okay, you're here for Charles Gold?
I think he made the bond on the case, but I'm on it.
You are the attorney. All right. Then we'll mark you for a plea. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. 618-212 State versus Michael Enoch and attorney Richard Molina. Michael Enoch, marked absent. Richard Molina, no appearance. 618-390 State versus Jose Martinez, attorney Paul Acevedo. Jose Martinez. You see him anywhere, Patty?
No, Judge, and if it's Paul Acevedo, he might have him in his office.
All right, well, so far there's no response on either one. So I'm marking him absent and Paul no appearance. 618823 State versus Patrick Whitefeld.
Oh, that's good, Phil.
Mr. Engelkey, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And your client?
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Mr. Engelkey, what are you doing this morning?
Well, I believe the docket says set for a plea, but I don't recall receiving any paperwork.
I am sorry, but you have a system that always is muffled. I have a hard time understanding you, sir. I apologize, but try it again.
Okay. I need some paperwork for a plea.
A plea?
I don't have any paperwork though.
Or you do not? Well,
So I'd like to confirm.
just get it done.
Is number 2 to confer, Judge?
All righty.
Okay, I'll wait then.
We'll make it number 2 to confer, Mr. Engelkey.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 620-872, State versus Javier Nieves, attorney. Jessica Gonzalez.
I have Mr. Nieves in the courtroom, Judge.
All right. And Ms. Gonzalez apparently has not appeared yet. 624-678, State versus Veronica Gutierrez, attorney, Catherine Valenzuela.
Yes, Your Honor. I do not see my client on. I'm checking if I'm texting her right now.
right,
May I be excused to go to another call and then I will come back?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
626-214, State versus John Schruger, or Shrugam, attorney, Linda Corley.
Good morning, Judge. This is Kim Beza. I'm here for Ms. Corley, and Mr. Stoneham is also on Zoom this morning.
You want to do what, ma'am?
If I can confirm, Judge, there's two different cases, the one you called out, and there's also a second case. So if I can confirm on both of them.
What's the other case number?
The other case number is 644-898.
644.
Judge, it's on the same page, right below his name.
Okay,
He has two cases, Judge.
right, all right. We're gonna mark him absent unless he's here.
I'm here, sir. I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, very good.
The 34.
And you are number 3 to confer. 627-534, State versus Malvin Rivera, attorney, Carolyn Wentland.
Good morning, Judge. I am here for Mr. Ohana. I believe he's on here.
Yes, I'm here.
He's actually in Puerto Rico, so his time's different. I want to confer, and I wanted to see if he could be excused at least for now while I confer.
Of course you can, yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Rivera, you're excused. Your attorney will be doing some work for you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. 628-445, State versus
Judge,
West Bend. Ms. Wendell is number 4 to confer.
okay, thank you.
628-445, State versus Willibirth Alcaraz. And attorney is,
I'm here, Your Honor.
James Andrews III. I couldn't make it out. Sorry. Good morning,
not a
Mr.
problem.
Andrews.
Not a problem, Your Honor.
How about your client?
I would like to confirm I would like to confer, but my client is in surgery. He's got ongoing problems with his legs due to diabetes, and so he's in surgery getting some veins opened up or replaced or something along those lines.
All right, I'll count him in since there's an officer of the court. I expect you to being truthful.
Yes, sir.
All right, but you will confer. You're number 5. 629-073, State versus Thaddeus Biediger, attorney, George Sherman II. Thaddeus Biediger is marked absent. George Sherman, no appearance at this time. 633-418, State versus Costin Ray, attorney, Leslie Sahanovich. Mr. Ray is absent. Mr. Sahanovich not appearing. 634-174, State versus Adam Elizondo, attorney, James Andrews III.
Judge, I'll just put him in a breakout room. I can bring him back if you want.
Let's see, I put him as number 5. I'll put him 5A here.
Okay.
And what about Mr. Elizondo, Adam Elizondo? Absent. Six, 35272, State versus Jonathan Perez, attorney, Robbie Ward.
Good morning, Judge. This is Carolyn Wetland. I'm here on Mr. Perez as well. I popped out of the breakout room. I would also like to confer on him.
Is he present?
Yes, he's on.
Very good. All righty, you're number 6, I think. To
Perfect.
confirm.
I'm going back to
She
4.
has-
I'm going to go back
She
to
has 4 already, so if you can just put me in there.
All righty. Patricia,
Yes, sir.
635417, State versus Cynthia Franklin, attorney George Ruiz.
And Judge, he is here. He is also in presiding court, so he'll be popping in and out, and I believe Nathan is logged in already.
All righty. And Ms. Cynthia Franklin, is she here?
Yes, sir, I'm present.
Very good, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Stick around, wait for your client, your attorney. 637087, State versus Alex Martinez, attorney Abel Dominguez.
Attorney's present, Your Honor. I don't see my client in the chat here. I
All right.
and
Go
texted.
ahead. I'm
Huh?
sorry.
Yes.
Say it again, Abel. Good morning, Abel, tell me again.
Yes, Your Honor. I am present for Mr. Martinez. I
Right.
do not see him here in the Zoom chat. I have emailed him the link and called him and texted him about it. If the court will allow me, I will get off to try to keep getting a hold of him and make
All
him.
right. Are you going to confer? What are you going to do?
Not at this time, Your Honor. Let me
Okay.
don't worry about
problem. As of right now, your client is absent. We'll wait for you to produce it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 639709, State versus Bryce Hogan's, and the attorney is Eric Reynolds.
Yes, Judge, I'm present for him. That should be a plea today, Judge. Paperwork is
Okay.
in.
Very good.
Judge, I have one more on your docket as well. It's a Dwayne McHaslett. I do need to confer on that case.
You want to give me the case number?
Yes, Judge, whenever you're ready.
Give it to me now.
657714.
It's 57714 on page 5. 657714. Okay, Dwayne McHaslett. We'll put you as number 6 then. Since the other 6 did not go through. And is Mr. McHaslett here?
I see both of their names on the screen, Judge.
Yes, sir, Your
All right.
Honor.
Very good. Are you going to confer on the other one?
No, Judge, paperwork's already in on Bryce Hogan's. We're ready for that plea.
All right, very good. Then we have you on the list to confirm, Mr. McHaslett. Thank you.
Thank you.
Case number 641227, State versus Christian Tellez, attorney George Ruiz.
Hello, Judge. Again, Mr. Reese is in presiding, so he'll be bouncing back and forth. I do not see Mr. Tillis present. I have tried reaching out to him, and I will continue to try to reach out to him.
Do we know if Mr. Tellez is here?
He is not here. I do not see him logged in, and I am still trying to get a hold of him. He is aware of the court date.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 642431, State versus Nathaniel Jensen.
Your Honor,
Attorney. Yes, Robert Behrens is attorney.
Mr. Jensen is hearing impaired, and we just need to communicate with him on chat.
All right. And about Judge Behrens, have we heard from him?
I haven't seen him logged on yet. No, sir.
Okay, so he's not here yet. 642836, State versus Antoine Rodriguez, attorney Joanne Akel.
Present, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you too.
Did I get that first name right? It is Antoine, is that Antonio?
As they call me Tonito in Spanish and Antoine in English.
Okay.
So yeah,
Is Ms. Akel here yet?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
Okay, well, we're going to mark with no appearance at this point. We'll wait for her to appear. Stick around. 644332, State versus Carlos Garcia, attorney Alberto Acevedo. Carlos Garcia is a fugitive. He's added to his discomfort because I will issue a failure to appear. And attorney Albert Acevedo, no appearance. 644-584, State versus Brooklyn Moody. Attorney Tim Roundtree.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning, Tim.
Your Honor, Ms. Moody is present, and we are working on, we have a plea agreement, actually, Judge, where we would just ask that the case be reset for a plea.
Patricia, how much, 2 weeks due or 1 week?
So next week's Thanksgiving. It'd be good if we went 2 weeks, Judge.
Next week is not Thanksgiving, is it?
Yes, Judge.
Whoa.
Can you believe it? I know, Judge.
It sure caught me off guard. Reset for plea 2 weeks?
That would be great, Judge.
Patricia?
December 3rd.
Let's see here.
You got it?
I do, Judge. That'll be fine. Thank you.
All right.
He has another person, Judge.
I'm sorry?
He has another client.
What's the other case number down here? Sandquist.
David Sandquist, Judge.
Tim? Huh?
Judge, I'm not sure if David is on.
David
Did he answer?
Sandquist, 645-611. David Sandquist.
Yes, sir. Present, Your Honor.
Okay, good.
There you are.
Sorry. Judge, we're still working through this case. I just asked for a 30-day reset.
Reset. 30 days. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Take
Thank
care.
you, Your Honor.
All right. You're both excused. 644-878. State versus Nathaniel Ramos, attorney Michael Collins. We missed that one when we called him earlier. Michael Collins.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning, Mike. Again, you have Nathaniel Ramos.
Yes, Your Honor. I submitted 2 signed contracts to the PTD
Right.
people back on November 2nd. I haven't seen a dismissal yet.
Okay, Patricia, what are we gonna do on this? Reset it 2 weeks, see what happens, or 30
Yeah,
days?
yes, sir, December 3rd.
December 3rd. Michael,
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
you're quite welcome. Take good care.
Oh, and my client, LaShawna Collins, is here now, Your Honor.
Add a client to IC
All right.
Solutions.
You're gonna be conferring on her?
Well, I'm waiting for paperwork on that one. I checked my boxes. I don't have any paperwork on the plea yet.
I got you. All right. It'll be a while. We've got, according to my docket, we have 19 pleas for today, so that's gonna be fun.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
648-209, State versus Daniel Schiffer, or Schiffer.
207, Judge.
Eric DeWalt.
Present for him, Your Honor, and he is present also, and I believe we all have all paperwork in for a plea.
All right. And in case apparently I missed it, case number 648-207. 648-493, State versus Gabriela Limon, and the attorney is Jay Norton. Jay Norton.
Good morning. This is Gabriela Limon. I'm present. I don't see my attorney on there though.
I'm gonna mark him not appearing at this moment. Eric DeWalt is present on the plea just ahead of you. All right, ma'am, stick around a little bit. We'll see if Mr. Norton shows up. He usually is good about showing up. All right, moving along, page 5. 648-708, State versus Ezequiel Rosales. Brenda Levenstein. Ezequiel Rosales, absent. Brenda Levenstein, attorney. No appearance. Scheduled for 1:30, 650-104. State versus Jose Martinez Arce, attorney. Daniel Vela. All right, we'll recall it at 1:30. We'll need an interpreter. 652-219, State versus Nolan Sanchez, attorney, Robert Campbell.
Present, Your Honor.
Which one is present, the attorney or the defendant?
The defendant, Nolan Sanchez.
Good morning, Mr. Sanchez. Have you
Good
heard
morning, Your
from, have you heard from Mr. Campbell?
No, I talked to his paralegal yesterday, though, Your Honor. But I haven't heard from Mr. Campbell himself.
Okay, then I expect at least he knows you're here, so I'm sure I would expect him to make an appearance. All right, stick around.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. 657-375, State versus Draven Gonzalez, attorney, Adam Cobbs. Draven Gonzalez.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning. Adam Cobbs.
Good morning.
Adam Cobbs. Adam Cobbs, no appearance. Stick around, Mr. Gonzalez. 657-528.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
State versus Shahab Farahani, attorney, Tim Roundtree. Tim missed this one. Tim Roundtree. And Shahab Farahani is marked absent, and the attorney took off. 657728, State versus Robert Soto Jr., attorney, Isidro Montoya Jr.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Montoya.
Mr. Soto is on Zoom, Judge. We have a plea bargain. I need to confer with the state to confirm it, and then so we can get the paperwork all squared away. Can put me on a conferring stack, Judge.
All right, we'll put you under, I think you're number 7.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Robert Soto.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Morning.
All right, 658-988, State versus Ignacio Rosas, attorney, Adam Cobbs.
All right, he's in court right now. He had another case, Your Honor.
Other court, okay. Thank you, Mr. Rosas.
Yes, sir.
Stick around, Mr. Rosas. I'm sure Mr. Cobbs will be here.
Okay.
659-306, State versus Ozzy Lozoya, attorney, Cornelius Cox.
Present, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Lozoya.
How are you?
Mr. Cox is not appearing at this time. 659, and I am well, sir. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Good. 659-569, State versus Thomas Manning, attorney, Charles Maes. Thomas Manning, absent. Charles Maes, no appearance. 660-628, Edward Jones, attorney, Abelardo Garza.
I'm present on that, Your Honor. I'd like to
I'm also
confirm.
present.
Good morning to you both. Mr. Garza, what are you doing this morning?
I'd like to confer on this, Judge.
I'm sorry?
I would like to confer.
There you go. You are on the list to confer. Thank you.
Thank you.
661-888, State versus Juan Castañeda, attorney, Rene Munoz.
Yes, good morning, Judge. I'm here on his behalf and he is present as well.
Is Mr. Castañeda here?
Yes,
sir, I am here.
Good morning to you, gentlemen. All right, what are you doing this morning, Rene?
I would like to confer on this if I may, Your Honor.
All right, of course you may. Number 9, 662-457, State versus Ricky Billoups, B-I-L-L-O-U-P-S, Billoups, and the
Yes, I'm
attorney is
here.
Tanya Rivera. Tanya Rivera, no appearance by the attorney. Mr. Billoups, are you here?
Judge,
Yes, sir.
I'm
Good morning
present
to
on
you.
behalf of Tanya Rivera. She asked me to announce she got cut up in another court. If I could confer on this one as well, Your Honor, this is Rene Munoz from the Public Defender.
Rene Munoz, okay.
Yeah, I got thrown into a breakout room, so I had to come back instantly. And Judge, if I may, I have also one matter that was a recall from last week. I did get in contact with my client, and I do have her present.
You kind of threw me off on here. We were talking about bid ops, who is present. You're here
Yes,
for
Judge.
Tanya Rivera.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Now, what else you got?
My client was scheduled last Friday. She did not appear. She had some technical difficulties. You said if I brought her in within the 5 days, that a warrant would not issue, Judge. So she is present.
Okay, so who are we talking about?
This is Ciara Miguel.
Laura?
Ciara, C-I-A-R-A.
C-I-A-R-A, M-I-G-U-E-L?
That's correct, Your Honor. And the cause number on that is 633-442.
What is the charge?
It is a DWI charge, Your Honor, and she is present. Ciara, can you speak for the judge, please?
And you and your office are representing her?
That is correct, Judge.
Okay. We will note her appearance and we will make sure that she doesn't get a warrant for her.
Thank you for that, Judge.
We're going to confirm, we're going to try and confer on this one too.
Yes, Judge, I'm ready to confer on that one as well.
All right, let's see what we can do.
Thank you, Judge.
664-541, State versus Juan Alderete, attorney, Ray Lopez.
I'm present on his behalf, Judge. I'm not sure. I haven't had any contact with him. I'm not sure if he's present on Zoom or in the courtroom.
Okay, as of right now, well, he's listed as a fugitive, so it's no surprise. As of right now, he's a failure to appear. Let's see what happens. Thank you, Mr. Lopez. 664643. State versus Diego Ortiz, attorney, Luis Martinez. Diego Ortiz is marked absent.
Judge,
Yes.
Judge, I know Mr. Martinez, federal court this morning.
Okay. He did come in yesterday and had told me about that. Patricia. Okay, I'm gonna mark them both present. We'll see where we're going. Hello, somebody.
Good morning, Your Honor.
665199, State versus Melissa Arias, and the attorney is Kirby Walland.
Present, and the client is present. Would like to speak for the state.
All right, sir. You're on the list to confer.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. 665791, State versus Rosalinda Ortiz, John Perez Jr., attorney. Rosalinda Ortiz.
Judge,
Mark that.
John Perez had answered that he's gonna be late. He's coming in or at Medina County.
All right. Good old Ondo. He's in Ondo, Texas, huh? What about his client, Rosalinda Ortiz? I'm marking her absent.
I'm present. I'm present.
Oh,
Sorry, I had myself muted.
you could have waited another 10 minutes. All right, man, stick around.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 666546. That's a good hand. 4 6s. Jose Gonzalez, attorney. Scott Engelkey.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Howdy.
I've spoken with the state on this case and on my case with Mr. Rita, and they can't find the files or the records, so I'm asking for a 30-day reset for both cases.
Patricia, can you translate that for me?
He said he got to confer on his first client on the page 1, Judge, at the bottom of page 1. And he went ahead and conferred on this one too, and they're asking for 30-day reset.
Reset 30 days. I'm sure I'm glad you translate so nice. And is Mr. Gonzalez here, Mr. Engelke?
I have not seen him.
Well, I'm gonna mark him absent, but we'll wait for you to produce him. Get a hold of him. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
666, you're welcome. 666-737. That's a full house. De Beer Crochet, and that
Good morning,
is
Your Honor.
Joseph Lassen.
Good morning, Your Honor. Could my
morning.
client is present with his hand raised. Can I be put into a breakout room with the ADA?
Absolutely. We'll mark you number, what, 10 or 11, Patty? 11?
11.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 666-756. Anthony Gosa, attorney. Jeffrey Martinez.
Anthony Gosa, present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Gosa.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Jeffrey Martinez, attorney.
I'll go ahead and send him a text message in regards to him showing up.
Good idea.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. 666-928, State versus Laura Yanis, attorney. Jeffrey Martinez.
Present.
Good morning, ma'am. Stick around.
Good morning. Thank you.
667-063, State versus Alejandro Garcia, attorney. Tanisha Taylor. Alejandro Garcia, absent. Tanisha Taylor, no appearance. 668-438, State versus Scott Baker, attorney. Ivan Barrera.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present and so is my client. Scott, can you announce for the judge?
Say the last part again.
No, Judge, I was just telling Mr. Baker to announce himself to you. I do see him on Zoom.
Okay, that's good enough. And what are you doing this morning, Mr. Barrera?
Judge, can I please confer with state?
Of course you can. And
Present,
do
Your Honor.
you have any other case?
Yes, Judge. I have one more on the next page. Cause number 671054.
Okay, it shows no attorney, so I guess you have been hired.
Yes, Judge. He recently hired. There is a felony pending. It's unindicted. So on this one, Judge, I'd ask for a reset.
This will be reset 60 days, felony pending, unindicted.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. And is he here?
He is, Your Honor. Mark, please,
Okay.
can you announce yourself to the judge? I see him on Zoom too.
All right. Going back to the previous page.
Is Marquise Garcia?
Good enough. Thank you, sir. Your case is being rescheduled.
Yes, sir.
669-209, State versus Sonny Ravel, attorney. Robert Behrens. Once again, Robert Behrens. No appearance.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Mr. Ravel.
Sonny Ravel.
Yes, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I marked you present, sir. We'll have to wait for your attorney.
Yes, sir.
669-227, State versus Antonio Figueroa, attorney Michael White. Patty, what's the RF mean?
Red file.
Oh, you could have held a gun to my head and I would not remember. Okay, Antonio Figueroa, absent.
Judge, he's in jail.
Well, no wonder he's absent. And Michael White is no appearance. I guess we've got a lot of Pegar coach today, huh? For the attorneys.
Yes.
670-933, State versus Julian Navarro, attorney Stephen Nicholas. Julian Navarro.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Judge. I'm here. I am present.
A little bit slow there, Julian.
Yes, sorry, I was
Have
on
you
mute.
seen or heard from your attorney, Stephen Nicholas?
Yes, sir. He's presiding another court. Currently, he said he would be running a little bit late this morning.
Okay, very good then. Thank you. Stick around.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 671-786, State versus Dontra Jerome Means. No attorney.
I'm here.
Pronounce your first name.
Sorry.
Sir?
Sorry.
Dontre. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's two names. The second name is Jerome.
Keyshawn.
All right, the computer has it a little bit different. That's fine. Mr. Means, good morning to you. Do you have an attorney? Have you hired an attorney, Mr. Means?
My main attorney is it's a striker.
All right, I'll talk to you in a little while. 671-847, State versus Victoria Montalvo. Attorney Kevin Stryker.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here, and of course, my client is here as well, Victoria Montalvo. It's a first setting, Judge, so I was hoping to confer with the state, and I was also hoping that my client could be excused while I do that conference.
All right, sir. We'll be waiting for you to return, but have we heard from Ms. Montalvo?
Present, yes.
Good morning, Ms. Montalvo. All
Good
right.
morning.
Your attorney will be doing some things, so stick around. 671-865, State versus.
Judge, if you I hate to interrupt. Mr. Means was the person who was right before this.
Yes, sir.
I was representing him on his felony cases, but I'm no longer taking appointments in San Antonio. So I think when he picked up his new charge, I was not assigned to his case. If you really need me to, I can make an exception. I can try to get on his case if you'd like, but he does not have an attorney for his misdemeanor case.
I think it would be an excellent idea since you're already handling his felonies. Patricia, make sure that Mr. Stryker gets put on as the misdemeanor attorney, okay?
Yes, sir.
I presume that since you were appointed for the felony, his financial status hasn't changed between the courts.
Yes, Judge. He's indigent. I've been dealing with his felony cases for about 2 years now. He was actually in the hospital for at SASH for probably a year or so.
All right.
And is up back. So and again.
All right. Well, we appreciate your willingness to help out. I think it'll work out perfectly.
Yes, Judge. And may he be excused while I confer on his case as well, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Means, Dontra Means, we're going to excuse you. You're free to go. You now have an attorney on the misdemeanor case, Mr. Kevin Stryker. He's the one that's helping you with your felony cases, okay?
Judge, he's muted.
Yeah. Okay, Dontre, take care.
All right.
671-865, State versus Lydia Rodriguez, attorney Efrain Torres. Is Efrain available right now?
No, Judge, we're gonna go ahead and reset that.
Right, okay, that's what I thought.
December 15th.
The family emergency.
I'm not
To
sure
what?
if Ms. Rodriguez is here.
Probably
December
not.
15th.
Lydia Rodriguez. I'm sure he'll let her know, or we will. 671. Is that a 3 or 8? 876. 671-876, State versus Melanie Sanchez, attorney, George Manning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present. So is my client.
It's just the first appearance on this one, so I was going to ask if I could confer and if my client could be excused while I do that, and then I'll catch up with her later.
Ms. Sanchez, you are excused for today. Your attorney will be doing some work and he'll get back with you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 671-894, State versus Mikael, let's see. Mikael Zeroni. And that is Ronald Zimmerman.
Yes, Judge. I am here present for Mr. Zeroni. Judge, this is a first setting on this case. If Mr. Zeroni may be excused, I would like to speak to the state if I could. In addition, I am due in the 227th. So if I could be excused to briefly appear in the 227th and then return.
All right, Mr. Zeroni, you're excused for the rest of the day here. Your attorney will be working in other courts in this one too, so you're excused. 671-921, State versus.
Okay, but can I call you back? Can you call me back?
Yeah, can you call you back, please? Can you call you back? Please. All right, 671-921, State versus Matthew Valerio, no attorney. Matthew Valerio. Absent. 671-934, State versus Daniela Ramos, attorney. Abel Dominguez.
I have Ms. Ramos in the courtroom, Judge.
You've got who? Ms. Ramos?
Hello. Yeah, she's here in the courtroom.
All right, very good. Abel Dominguez was here earlier. Apparently he missed this one or forgot about it. We'll have to try and get him back.
Judge, this is Carolyn Wetland. Can I go back into breakout room number 4?
Patricia, she wants to go back into number 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
671-949, State versus Dylan Hurst, no attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Robertson for Mr. Hurst. He's present. We have an unindicted felony pending out of this incident, so we'd request a reset.
Well, that makes ultimate good sense. We're going to give you 60 days.
Very well. Thank you, Your Honor.
Unindicted felony. Anything else, John?
That's it. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Bye.
We have 2 add-ons. 644-257, State versus Jeremy Durrell Cofer. And that's Ashley Morgan, attorney.
Good morning, Judge Terry Carter. I'm here for Miss Morgan. Mr. Coffer is on the Zoom and our plea paperwork should all be turned in and we're ready to go when you are.
I always love it when people tell me it should all be. Yeah, you're right. Hopefully we can get you out of here somewhat reasonably. 647-898, State versus Kevin Lewis Trejo, attorney James Hunt.
I am
Have
present.
Mr. in the courtroom, Judge.
Yes,
All
he's in the
right.
courtroom. And that's a plea. The paperwork is in.
Very good. That is the docket for this morning, finally. I'm going to run through here real quick for some of the attorneys that did not answer.
Zoom information for today, for sure.
Come on, let's get muted here. 614-535. LaShawna Collins, what do we do with that, Patty?
It's supposed to be a plea, Judge, and she was late. She's on now.
She's on now, good.
That's correct, Your Honor. I finally did get some paperwork, Your Honor, but I need to talk to the prosecutor about it.
Okay, you're way down at the bottom now.
That was from Catherine.
Okay, we'll try to get you back on.